Hello guys, this is Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture in Monopoly Go. So first of all, if you didn't know, you can download Monopoly Go on your Play Store or App Store. And our first step is to open the Monopoly Go game. So right now I'm here in the game. So if you haven't played before, you're gonna go through a tutorial, but if you have, then congrats. Now you can follow this video's tutorial instead. Alright, so as a matter of fact, I need to tell you that it's unfortunate, but there's no way you can change your profile picture in Monopoly Go in the game. But one thing that you can do is that you can change your profile picture on Facebook to whatever you want it to be, or whatever you want to show in your Monopoly Go game. Cause the only way to change your profile picture in Monopoly Go is by connecting your Facebook account to your Monopoly Go game. And in result, the profile picture on your Facebook account shall be your profile picture on your Monopoly Go game. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Unravel saying bye-bye!